Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay your Verizon bill for someone else. Now, you can do this through multiple ways. One way, guys, is to pay online without actually logging in. So you go to Verizon's Pay My Bill page, and then click on Pay without signing in, and then you just enter the Verizon account number or the billing phone number, okay? And then just select a payment method. So we have a credit or debit card, a bank transfer, or a gift card, and you just complete the payment and save the confirmation number, okay? And you can share this with the other person if you would like to do so. What you can also do, guys, is use Verizon's automated phone payment. So you dial Verizon from any phone on this number, just follow the prompts and choose make a payment, and then enter the Verizon phone number or the account number, guys, and you can provide the payment details and confirm the transaction. And of course, you can always go ahead and pay in a Verizon store. So you visit a Verizon store, or you can use their store locator on the Verizon's website and just ask to make a bill payment for someone else. Provide the phone number or account number of the person you're paying for, and you can pay via cash, card, even check, okay? What you can also do is use the Verizon gift card or PayPal, right? Buy a gift card, give it to the person to apply to their bill, or if they have PayPal linked to the Verizon, you can send them money on PayPal to pay their bill. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.